notification. If they have given the notification, oh, of course, we have absolute no issue with any person, any political party, any politician calling for a meeting. Just need them to notify the police, and they must ensure that their meeting is peaceful and does not lead to situations of disrupting the peace for others, or burning of property, or looting, or violence. The rest, with proper notification and commitment to observe peace, the police officers are always on standby to provide security for anybody who would like to exercise their freedoms under the Constitution in a peaceful manner. Yes, madam. Okay. Okay. Silibiwa kwa nini? Okay. Sorry, I wasn't aware about that. I'm told that, as you can hear, thieves broke into one of our offices and stole IDs. I've just whispered to the director, National Registration Bureau, and he has told me that he was aware about it, and there's an ongoing replacement for those IDs. And we want to ask anybody who will attempt to engage in identity theft or misuse of people's IDs, that you will face the very full force of the law. And therefore, it's important that if you find anybody's ID, return it to the person, or leave it to the nearest police station, or to the chief or an assistant chief. Don't attempt to misuse anybody's ID. Yeah. Yes, Minor. I will finish up with you.
My question is on yesterday's human rights activist presses in Nairobi. As you say, some of them have even claimed that on July 15, you're on record saying 1,500 young people had been arrested for various charges, accusations of arson, what kind of and the violence. And they say they've been able to trace only 500 cases. And they're saying, where are the rest of the 1,500? And they also went ahead to say that they are missing persons, and also that some of the young people have been detained without legal representation.
First of all, let me say that for all persons who have been arrested, not all persons who are arrested are taken to court. Okay, some are arrested, they record their statement, and the investigations continue until such time that they will get now an order from the court to appear before it for purpose of taking plea. So if there is any person not accounted for between arrest and charging, probably that person was arrested, recorded a statement, and further investigation is going on. I'm happy that they are following up and they know the numbers of the people who are taken to court. We can also provide that information in good time as National Police Service if anybody needs it. And those who have been charged for various offenses, some theft, some shoplifting, some others are violence, some have been charged for terror, some have just for robbery, some, as I said, stealing. So depending on what you have found, the evidence we found against you, you will be charged for the offense that you committed or that we suspect that you committed. And all those people are free to get legal representation of their choice so that they can defend them in a court of law. If there is any person who is missing, there is a procedure for reporting missing persons, and that should be reported to the nearest police station so that the police officers can start investigations to find their whereabouts of any person who is missing. Otherwise, any person who is in police custody or who was arrested by the police can be accounted for. Their whereabouts can be accounted for, either that they were taken to court or they were released pending investigations until such time when we are ready to charge them, or if you don't find sufficient evidence perhaps, then they will be free to proceed with their own activities. Yeah, I think there was somebody else. The last one.
My name is Simon Gura, Nora TV. Nyandarua. We've had concerns from members of the public and local leaders about shortage of police vehicles.